Hi, this is lesson 6, and today we're going to learn how to first make what's called a dot plot. Now, to do this, we need a data set. So here we are, lesson 6, and let's look at a data set. How about this? Let's try the data set of 3, 1, 4, how about 1, 5, let's see, maybe 9, 2, 6, 5, 3, 5. Oops, 3, 5. There's our dot plot. Or that's our data, sorry. That's our data. And what we're going to do is we're going to construct a dot plot. So a few things here. If we look at this, let's see here. It looks like my highest value is 9. And it looks like my lowest here, I've got some 1s. So in other words, I need to draw a number line that goes from 1 to 9, or if I wanted, I could go from, say, 0 to 10. So let's do that. So let's draw a number line here. And then we'll label this. So we go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So I'm going to make this a little bit tighter. So there's our number line with 10 tick marks, 10 units. And let's label these 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, here's how we construct the dot plot. We'll just go through our data set and we'll go in order. So notice that when I first start, I have a 3. So what I do is I represent this first 3 by placing a dot over the 3. So I place a dot right there. And then if you want, you can color the dot, or you can leave it empty or shade it, or however you want. Now, so then I'll put a little circle around each one as we go so we don't lose track. Now, the next one I have is a 1, so we continue this process. So I come down here to 1, and I put another dot over 1. Now, right away, a few things happen. One is you want your dots to stay a little bit above the number line. And the other thing is, I'm going to use a different color here. We'll use it yellow, just something light. Is I want each layer of dot to be consistent. So anytime we have a first number, then we'll put it along this first yellow line. Then if we have another, for example, well, look at this. I have another 1 coming up. But let's just take care of it now. So when I represent that 1, I'm going to put it on an equally spaced line above. So we want to be very systematic about the way we stack these dots. So let's do that. We'll put our next 1, we'll put it right there. Shade that a bit. And see, we come back to our 4 here. Oops, so it should be consistent. So dotted. So 4. So I come down to 4, it's the first one, so it goes on this first line. And let's see, oh, now we're to the 5. So I place a dot over the 5, again along the first yellow line. Continuing on, I have my 9 way over to the right, but again, it's just the first dot on the 9, so it stays at the first level. My next number that I graph is 2, so it also stays on the first level. Then I have a 6. And a 5. So, oh, but now look at this. This 5, that's the second 5, so I get to put another dot up above on the second line. And then my next one is a 3, so I can put another dot above my 3. Oh, and look at that, another 5. So now this time, you don't have to draw these yellow lines, but if they help you to keep things lined up, then it's worth doing. So I have another dot. This time, I have another dot above the 5. So put it right there. There we go. And that is the dot plot for this data set. And let's give our data set a name. How about we call it, let's call it how about data set? That seems like as good a name as any. Okay, and that is how we make a dot plot. In the next lesson, we're going to take this dot plot and we're going to use it to draw a histogram. See you soon. Thanks for watching.